In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mindmap using Excalidraw. If you've been looking for a quick way to brainstorm ideas or map out concepts visually, Excalidraw makes it simple and beginner-friendly. We'll walk through using its built-in AI to turn a short prompt into a clean mind map, and then I'll show you how to refine it so it matches your ideas. First, open your browser and head to excalidraw.com. It loads right in the browser so you can start drawing without any setup. You could absolutely build a mind map from scratch using the shape, text, and connector tools on the left. But to keep things fast, I'll use the AI option as an example. Once the canvas is open, look for more tools in the interface. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a menu with additional options. Click that to expand the advanced features. From there, choose Text to Diagram. This is Excalidraw's AI helper that converts a written prompt into a structured diagram, which can include a mind map. In the prompt box, describe what you want. Be clear and concise, like mind map of a weekly study plan with main topics, subtopics, and time blocks, or mind map for planning a basic website launch with tasks and milestones. Keep it factual and avoid any private information. When you're ready, click Generate and give it a moment. You'll see a preview of the AI's result. It usually includes a main idea in the center with branches for related topics. If the preview matches your goal, click Insert to place it on the canvas. The diagram is now fully editable, just like anything you'd draw yourself. To polish it, click any node to rename it, tweak the wording, or break a long idea into smaller chunks. Drag items to rearrange the layout until it reads left to right or radiates cleanly from the center. Use the connector handles to reroute arrows so they don't cross awkwardly, and adjust spacing for clarity. You can also customize the look. Select elements to change colors, stroke thickness, and text size for emphasis. Group related branches so they move together, then ungroup when you need to fine-tune. Zoom in for detailed edits, zoom out to check the overall balance, and use alignment guides to keep things neat. If you add new ideas, use the text tool and connectors to extend the map in the same style. After a few edits, you'll have a clear, organized mind map that feels tailor-made for your project.